Hello guys, what's up? In this video, we're gonna make little colored birds doll that they are so cute and I really like them. For making it, we need hook and wire wrapped with thread that mine is already wrapped, and creamy color yarn for the head, white color yarn for around the wings, any color you like for the body, and we also need a needle and a black thread for the eyes and pink thread for beak.
Hi, I'm. We just want to say before we continue this video, please like and share it and subscribe to our creator channel and write your comments if you want. It will make our creators so happy. Thank you.
Okay, first you should make a circle with creamy yarn, then bring the hook in the circle, take the yarn and bring it out and do a slip stitch. Then you should do 6 single crochet, and for that you should bring the hook in the circle, get the yarn, bring it out and do a single crochet. You should repeat it 6 times. Then pull this yarn to fix it. Next, you should add another color yarn to show where is the beginning of the next row. And now in the second row, you should do a single crochet increase in each single crochet, and that means you should wave 2 single crochet from 1 single crochet at the end of this row we should have 12 single crochet. Okay, it's time for orange color yarn, and we should put it in the middle of the last single crochet to show the ending and beginning of the rows. And now we should just do simple weaving from row 3 to row 5. Okay, I finished the row 5. And now we should change the colors. We should do last single crochet at half and then continue it with the body color yarn, and I use purple yarn. And now it's time for orange yarn, and yes, I do 3 single crochet for fix it, and then I will tie the 2 yarn to stop them from opening. Let me show you. I tie these 2 yarn. There are where they we change the color, and I tie it. You should tie it 3 or 2 times, and then I cut it. In this row, after we wave 3 single crochet, we should do a pattern like single crochet increase, single crochet, and repeat it 3 times. And after that 3 single crochet at the end, and at the end of this row we should have 15 single crochet. Okay, it's time for orange yarn. Let me finish the row. And in this row, that it would be 7th row, we should first wave 3 single crochet and then a pattern like 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochet, and repeat it 3 times. And after that wave 3 single crochet and the row will be finished. And at the end of this row we should have 18 single crochet. Okay, I finished last row, and it's time for orange yarn. And now you should do simple waving from row 8 to 10. Okay, I finished row 10, and now you should fill it with fiber. And there are 2 tips that you have to know. First, don't completely fill it with fiber, and and because we need space to bring the hook in the doll and bring it out, and we need a little space, and two, don't put a lot of fiber in it and it make it too hard, so just a little fiber is enough. And after that we have decreasing. In the next row, that this will be 11th row, first we should weave 4 single crochet, then a pattern like 3 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 together, and repeat it for 2 times. Then 4 single crochet. For single crochet 2 together, you should take the in front part of 2 single crochet, just in front part of 2 single crochet, and end it with taking 1 yarn from above. Just 1 yarn, no, not 2 yarn, 1 yarn from above, and do it like this, and then 4 single crochet. At the end you will have 16 single crochet. It's time for orange yarn, and in this row you should weave 4 single crochet and a pattern like 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 together, and repeat it for 2 times, then 4 single crochet. At the end it will be 14 single crochet. In the 13th row, first you should weave 1 single crochet and then a pattern like 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 together, and repeat it for 4 times. Then at the end 1 single crochet. At the end of this row we should have 10 single crochet. Now it's time for filling the doll. You can fill it with your finger, or if it's hard for you, you can use a pen or a pencil. In the next row, you should weave 4 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, 2 together, then 4 single crochet. In the end of row, it will be 9 single crochet, and next row will be 4 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 together, and 3 single crochet. And at the end, it will be 8 single crochet. And then you should do simple weaving to the 22nd row. I waved 22nd row, and in the next row, that it will be 23rd row, you should fold the bird's tail and put 2 sides together and do 1 single crochet increase at first, then 2 single crochet, and at the end 1 single crochet increase. Then rotate the doll and weave 6 single crochet. Tie it at the end and cut it, and then the body will be finished. If you want to hide the remaining yarn, you can bring it in the tail of the bird with hook like this, and it will be completely hide, and the body is finished. Now it's time for wings. For the wings you need purple yarn and white yarn. First use purple yarn and make a circle, then do 6 single crochet in the circle like what you did for the head, and then in the second row do single crochet increase in each single crochet, and at the end it will be 12 single crochet. For the third row, first do 4 single crochet with purple yarn, then change the color to white yarn and do 8 single crochet, then tie it and cut the remaining yarn. But cut 1 purple and 1 white yarn longer. Weave 2 of them, then attach them with push pin to the body like this. do it carefully because it's so important where you're putting it. Then we should sew it with needle. If it is difficult for you to passing the yarn through the needle, you can use adhesive tape to do it. Put the yarn in the middle of the tape and fold the tape, then cut it like a little triangle. Then you can pass the yarn easily through the needle. Now it's time for the eyes and the beak. The needles show us where we should put them. The front needle show the beak, and it will be triangle like this bird, like this. But before that, I want to show you how to make clothes that it can stay on your finger like this. It's so cute. For making it, you need a wrapped wire, but if you don't have it, you can wrap it yourself. And to make it like this, you need to cut the wire and shape it like this that I have in my hand, and twist every part of it. You can use tools to make it if it's hard for you. After you wrapped 4 sides, you can shape whatever you like. I wanna just make a 19 angle, and it will be stay on your finger. And at the end, you can use a tape to stop it from opening, and it's make it easier to go into the bird's body. Then you should put them here and like this, and it's so cute and stay on your finger. Okay, now for the eyes and the beak, we need black thread and pink thread. Black is for eyes and pink is for beak. For the eyes, first tie the end of the thread and then put it in the middle of the head like this and hide it. Then bring it out from one side of the eye and bring it in the head and bring it out from another side of the eye, and do it for 2 or 3 times. Then for the eyes, you can use beads or do what I say. I use this trick. I put the needle like this, then like this, then wrap the thread around the needle. 8 or 10 times is enough. Then bring the needle out like this and bring it out and keep the wrapped thread, and then bring the needle in the head and bring it out from another side of the eyes like this. We'll make a big tie that it will be like an eye, and do it for 2 or 3 times each side of the head, and the eyes will be finished. Okay, I used that trick for the beak too. I did 5 times and it's done. It's so cute and it's awesome to giving gift to others and make them happy. So if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and turn notification on, and like this video and write your comments. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. I'm looking down from